Just a quick word of advice for all of you out there that are brand new to homesteading, brand new to farming, just starting out, like I am, brand new to it. Yeah, I've had chickens and I've had dogs and cats and all that, but I've never had sheep or livestock like that until the past year. So, as I make videos, try and learn from my mistakes because I have made some big ones. Today I just spent about 4 hours cleaning out a little 10 by 10 barn that I put straw in for the winter to keep my sheep warm if they wanted to go in there. And then as it got soiled, I would, pull out the, yucky, poopy stuff, but then I would put fresh straw over the top of it. And that was a mistake. It's smelling like ammonia. It needs to be changed. It actually needs to be changed before that, but these are things that I'm just learning as I go along. So here we go. So learn from me. That's not the thing to do. My sister came over the other day and helped me do trimming on the sheep hooves. And she was telling me that I needed to get all of this stuff under control and that's not a very good plan. So she gave me a few suggestions. So what I'm wondering, and I'm going to take those suggestions, and one of them was I needed to get the straw, the yucky straw and hay cleaned out of everything and start fresh. So that was my first thing. I have some new straw and I have new hay, but I'm not going to put the new straw down yet. Okay, so I'm going to show you the solution we've come up with so that we don't have all that 12 inches thick of hay or of straw. So we decided to air the place out. We got everything out of here, aired it out, opened up this window here, opened up the doors, and every day we've been doing that, letting it air out so we could dry this ground. I then made a little area back here where Cheesecake has his little heated mat right there, and we put a little bit of straw and his little snuggly there that he likes, and that's it. We turn the heater on if it's really cold. My daughter came up with, we had to store the straw today, and so she came up with this little nook, and I think he's going to really love that, and that is going to definitely be a lot more organized and sanitary in this barn. So I don't know why we did not think of that before, but I think that's the solution we've come up with. There we go. So tell me what you guys think of it. Have you guys done something similar to this? Make a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and share my channel with everyone. And let me know in the comments what you would like to know, or what you want me to do, or what you want me to investigate or explore. So anyway, there's Cheesecake's little nook in there. Thanks for watching. What have you guys done? How do you keep your livestock warm in the winter time? How do you keep, sheep, pigs, whatever, from, sleeping in the snow, even though I know sheep like that, and mine did spend a lot of time out in the snow. There was only a couple of nights that I actually locked my sheep up in my barn, and that's when it was like bitter, beyond bitter cold. Or when it was just so wet, snowy, ice, rain that it was just kind of dangerous to leave them out. But what do you guys do? How do you keep your straw rotated? How deep of bedding do you put in? My barn just has a dirt floor. There's no, like cement or anything like that. And so I don't know. What do you guys do? Comment below. Tell me what you do. Give me some tips. Help me out, because I don't ever want to do that again. I know that all this yucky straw and hay and everything that was wasted it'll make great compost. And so I'm looking forward to that. But moving all of that is not kosher. There's got to be an easier way. My sister sent me a picture of like some rubber flooring or something with little holes in it. So I'm going to look into that. But I really want to know what everybody else does. How do you keep your livestock warm? So comment below, let me know. And thanks for watching the Herbal Grammy.